Hayward Super Pump series has long been considered an industry staple for above-ground and in-ground pools. The 0.75 HP high-efficiency model blends durable construction with practical serviceability. The product listing shows the usual Hayward strengths: robust motor designed for cooler, quieter operation, an extra-large debris basket with a clear see-through strainer cover so you can quickly check for clogging, and swing-away hand knobs that remove the need for tools during maintenance. The page highlights a 4-bolt access designed for internal servicing and a design built to resist corrosion and the elements. All the things pool owners look for in a reliable circulation pump. On the ground, the Super Pump's value comes from its no-nonsense reliability. If you've owned lesser pumps, you'll notice Hayward's attention to serviceability. Large basket, clear lid, and tool-free maintenance are real time savers when keeping leaves and debris out of your plumbing. Flow and pressure are consistent for a 0.75 HP class pump that improves filtration and chemical distribution. Buyers who install their own equipment will appreciate the accessible bolts and the long track record of parts availability. Professionals appreciate that Hayward is a known brand, so spare seals and replacement parts are easy to find. Pros: long-standing reliability, easy maintenance, swing-away hand knobs / clear lid, large debris basket, and solid Hayward engineering. Cons: weight and bulk. This unit is heavy compared to small pool pumps, requires proper mounting and plumbing work for installation, and, like any pump, proper winterization and seal maintenance are necessary for long life. For most residential pool owners who want a proven pump that focuses on durability and simple maintenance, this Hayward Super Pump model is a reliable choice. We share buy links in description box.